Milnerton High School in Cape Town. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. So, a group of older boys who are members of the school's first rugby team assaulted a 16-year-old who was in or who is in grade 10. Now, the victim was beaten with belts, horsepipe, and a stick while other learners watched and cheered. What made the incident more disturbing was that the victim had recently completed chemotherapy after battling with cancer. Now, a video of the assault was shared on social media, sparking widespread outrage and renewed calls for decisive action against the school's bullying policy. Now, the Western Cape Education Department confirmed that the 8 grade 11 learners had been suspended in connection with the incident. Now, the school launched an interval investigation, gathering evidence and identifying those involved. Two additional videos emerged showing some of the learners involved in the assault. The South African Police Services opened a case of assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm. The 8 learners aged between 17 and 18 were arrested and charged with assault. They appeared in the Cape Town Magistrate Court on October the 23rd, 2025. 6 of the learners were granted bail of 2,000 Rand each, with conditions that they stay away from the complaints and witnesses. The other 2 learners, who are minors, were released with a formal warning. Now, the court case has been postponed to January the 20th in 2026 to allow the learners to write their exams. The Western Cape Education Department has arranged an alternative venue for the learners to take their exams. The victim's mother expressed her concerns about the trauma caused by the assault, stating that her son had asked to be homeschooled due to fear of retaliation. Now, these are some of the bail conditions. Now, they must not contact the complainants and witnesses directly or indirectly. Now, they must also avoid complainants. If they encounter the complainants, they must walk in different direction, and they are not allowed to gain access inside the school. They are prohibited from entering the school premises until the case is finalized. And then they must also submit their cell phones and pins to the investigating officer. They must refrain from intimidating the complainants and witnesses directly or indirectly, and they must not engage in any criminal activity. Now, if you know someone who's a victim of bullying or you yourself are being bullied, you can actually report bullying to the school, like a teacher, a counselor, or an anti-bullying box. You can also report it to a trusted adult, and for cyberbullying, report it directly on the social media platform. And if the situation is too serious and involves threats, or the school is not adequately addressing the issue, you can contact law enforcement, a school district, or a national or local helpline for support. And that number is 0800 567 567. That is 0800 567 567. I, Alokwana Reacts, say no to bullying, no to racism, and no to any form of abuse. Thank you for watching.